Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Fix. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your not receiving mail problem on iCloud. Keep watching the video till the end. To fix your problem of not receiving mail on iCloud, firstly go ahead and open up your settings application from your device and tap on your iCloud name. Click on iCloud option. On the next page, tap on iCloud Mail. Now, to fix your not receiving mail problem in iCloud, slide the slider of iCloud Mail to the right side to turn it on. Enter your email address and tap on Next. Make sure that you cannot change your iCloud email after creating it. This is how you can fix problem of not receiving your mail on iCloud quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.